Hi guys, it's Chantale from My Page Cafe. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. Now, it doesn't look like I've done much in my office, but I did sort through stuff. And until I get my shelving, a lot of my stuff is going to stay in boxes. So these are like scrapbooking papers and bigger pages underneath. And then these are book pages. I'm just going to kind of show you guys how my office looks like right now, because I promised you guys an update, and I kind of did an update on Instagram, but I know some of you might not necessarily be on Instagram. These are cardboard boxes. There's some covers here that I'm working on. There's more covers here that I've started. This is like junk mail and stuff. And I've been watching Pink Odd Bird, April. Hi, April, if you watch this. And she's doing this really, really junky style of creating a junk journal. So there's paper bags here. There's more like scraps here and all kinds of stuff. And this is still really cute. So I'm not going to change that or my shelvings. This area here, I want it cleared out for like wrapping up orders or having an extra little desk if I want to for my kids, if they want to create as well. So another project, of course. In here is papers, like personal papers for my house. Sorry, something stuck on my foot. And one of these will be, I will put like, I think I'll put some stuff in here too, like possibly dies, like die cuts and stuff, like, or not die cuts, like embossing folders and stuff like that for my my machine. So I might put some stuff in here as well. So right now there's not much in there. Down here is my stash. So these are like random scrap papers. There's also the bottom that's like excuse me, when I did like some exchange where I made some scrapbooks. I think they're going through, I can't remember. Anyways, so we exchanged. So there's a ton of stuff underneath there. The top one is material, which I will eventually sort through, but I'm not going to do this right now. Thanks to Took for the awesome ideas, however. So I will be tackling the material. And if you guys want a video, let me know, and I can show you guys how I do that. Now, I want to warn you, the cover, like my two big tables that are my desk, are not sorted. They were sort of, but what happened, my large garbage, what happened is I'm working on some DT projects. So sorry, my hand was right on there. So I have some stuff out. It's not organized, still working, but I thought I'd give you a tour due to circumstances that I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but I usually give you guys at least a couple videos, and this is more like, back here is all my papers, like dyed papers. That's how I sort, like I store them like this. And then I got a lovely envelope of music paper, so I didn't want to lose that. So I'm going to probably put it in here too with my various papers. And this, I'm working on signatures, that's why I've got some papers out. And then I've got this large journal that I got to finish. I still need to embellish that one. Still sorting through some stuff. I just needed a break from cleaning my office. Another thing that I will do is empty this guy out. And if you guys have any suggestions on how, I don't know how I could sort, I'm probably going to try to possibly label it. I don't know yet. So anyways, that's another project that I want to show you guys. Another thing that was super cool that I will show you guys. This is one of my projects that I'm working on right here. So what I did that you might not notice, but I know because these used to be a disaster, like a huge disaster. So this is the stuff that I kind of reach for almost on a daily basis. Some of my favorite stamps, some inks. These are things that like my wax linen thread. I always have probably a candle most of the time burning when I'm crafting, unless it's a disaster in here, so let's not cause any. And then I've got a lighter for that. Sorry, I like a candle. I am still battling this lovely cold. It's pretty much all gone now, so it's not so bad. So this is random stuff I still have to sort through, but it's not nearly as bad as it was. This used to be full of laces. This used to be full of laces. That used to be full of random bits. And over back here, this thing, no, I was just digging through there. But I literally, this is material, like different types of material that I want to sort through. And this is material, and I believe the bottom one is material as well. But I have a plan for these. For right now, I'm just putting them all together kind of in this area. And then I've got buttons. I need some kind of good thing to kind of sort through those. And underneath here is my box of like papers that I use for that I tea dye. And then this thing used to be full of random stuff. Now it's like down. I've literally sorted through all that. Look at that, all the space. So I'm still going to decide what I want to put in there. Yeah, there's nothing much in there. There's a couple of these machines and my sticks, like for my glue gun. I think I'm going to put my glue gun in there as well. This is like a little kind of like to create a sticker. I got 2 of those. I haven't used them in a while. I probably could use some, I should probably use them, right? They make stickers. You can make stickers with random pieces of paper and or washi or whatever. So it just fits in here and it makes them sticky. So that's pretty cool. And down here is just what was left. I had to hide some stuff real quick from my kids, so I hid it under there. This is still, sorry if that went too fast. This is still a disaster. It's all my books, some of the books that I use. But this part might look like a mess, but it is, this top here is for, to give away, like, to donate. This part here, this is like, patterns, like for sewing patterns and stuff like that. So I have a whole box right here that I want to sort a little bit better. I got some more books here. These are scraps that I have to go through. So another project. My cutter, I have to find a better spot for my guillotine cutter. And this is a mess. So, I mean, it's coming along. It's not nearly as quick as I'd like it to be. I also have some, oh, that's wallpaper back there too, that I also have to sort. Now, the big cabinet that used to be here is gone. So right here, I will have some kind of shelving. I haven't gotten it yet, but I want to order a shelving to put here so I can sort my materials and have them nearby and just be more like, if I can see it, then I can use it, right? So that's kind of my thought. Of course, I still have to sort this out, but that'll come when I get to it. It's a lot of projects that I've started. And yeah, so I'll get to it when I get to it. I do have 5 kids, and now, due to circumstances with this lovely virus going around, well, you know, it's just been a little tricky, and it sounds like they won't be going back to school anytime soon. So it's going to be a little tricky with my videos, but I will figure something out. And I'm just thankful that you guys are still here. I will still do some craft alongs. I might even include my kids in this process because I mean, why not, right? So anyways, yeah, so we'll see how this all goes, and I will still do some videos. The difference is that I might do more voiceovers instead. I'll videotape it during the day when it's lovely and loud. And then, yeah, I will do a voiceover in the evening. So there's that option. If this video is not too dark, I might do more videos in the evening as well. So anyways, I just thought I'd say hi. And this is kind of my progress. All these journals and inspiration, I have to sort through again. They kind of fell over a day or 2 ago. And these lovely stuffies need to be fixed, mended, so my kids can have them again. So I might, I might just do that today and get that out of here. So there's still a lot of different things I need to do in here, but you know, I'm just trying to take it one little project at a time. And I still want to create journals for you guys. So, and I have some things that I have committed to and I need to finish. So that is why it's kind of on a pause now. So anyways, I will give you guys an update, or if you guys want to learn. Oh, I got to show you guys what I did with my laces. Forgot to show you that. So, my lovely sweet friend. So these are all my laces and my trims and sari silk that I just got. Oh, I love it. Can't wait to play with it. There's this beautiful kind of like a natural colored sari silk. And I have put them all in Ziploc bags. Thank you so much, Took, for the idea. She's like, this is how I sort mine. And I was like, oh, why didn't I think of that? So I went from having like 3 of these big containers full of like random bits all over the place. I sorted through them, and then I kind of went color coordinated unless there was lots of them. If there was just a little bit like this, I just went with the greens. If there was more, like a bigger bag, then I put it in a bigger bag. And then I tried to take as much air out. And this keeps them clean and, you know, not getting like hair or whatever. Not that my cats come in here very often, but I do have cats and dogs, but the dogs don't really come in my office, or the cats for that matter. But like, this is all kind of, it makes a huge difference. This was like just the beige colored ones. I think there's such a cool variety. And I was just kind of making them look smaller by folding them together. And then she's like, well, you know, this is just going to end up in a big mess, right? So you might as well just put them in Ziploc bags, which is so smart, really. So I thought that was a great idea. And I thought I would share that with you. So I literally went from having 3 big drawers, sorry, of random like laces that I know I had a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit everywhere. So I love that it's down to 1 drawer, and now I have an empty drawer at the bottom for other things. These are some that I haven't had a chance to sort through. Here's another one. I do some crochet as well, so I have a lot of yarn everywhere. I have a whole couple containers over there as well. But anyways, I just thought I'd give you guys an update, and I hope you guys are all well and you're taking care of yourselves and staying busy during this craziness that we're going through. And I hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.